We'll guide you through how to create a GIF with a transparent background in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve and start by creating a new project. Once you have your project set up, go to the Media tab and import the video file that you want to convert into a GIF. Now, drag the video clip into the timeline. Next, you'll need to remove the background from your video. To do this, go to the Color tab. Here, you'll use the qualifier tool to isolate the subject from the background. Select the qualifier icon, then click on the background color in your video. You'll see a selection appear around the parts of the image that match this color. Adjust the parameters like hue, saturation, and luminance until only your subject is isolated. Once you're satisfied with the selection, go to the Nodes panel and add an alpha output by right-clicking in the empty area. Connect the blue alpha output to your node tree, which will make the background transparent. Now, it's time to export your project. Go to the Deliver tab, choose the format as Custom, and select QuickTime as the video format. For the codec, select GoPro Cineform or DNxHR to ensure the transparency is preserved. Make sure you check the Export Alpha option, which is crucial for transparency. Set your desired resolution and frame rate, then click Add to Render Queue and start render. After rendering, you'll have a video file with a transparent background. The final step is to convert this video into a GIF. You can use an online converter or software like Photoshop to do this. Load your video into the converter, and make sure to select the option to keep the transparency. Once converted, you'll have a GIF with a transparent background ready to use. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.